Communication. Communication is the link between you and the world. It is the imparting or exchange of information, ideas, or feelings. Without good communication, it is impossible to fully express yourself to the people around you. On a motorcycle, communication plays an important role in your safety, and if you are riding with a group, theirs as well. One of the premier comm systems for your helmet is the Cardo Packtalk Bold with JBL. Other offerings from Cardo include the regular Cardo Packtalk, the Packtalk Bold without JBL, the Packtalk Slim, and the Packtalk Black, which is not to be confused with the now discontinued Smart Pack, which is also black. Yakety yak, don't talk back. The Packtalk Bold with JBL is far superior to motorcycle communication systems of old. It installs quickly and pairs with your smartphone. Not only does it allow full access to music, navigation, and call options on your phone, you have an open line of communication with your fellow riders. To install the Packtalk Bold, you'll not need any tools except for maybe a pair of scissors, which I will explain later. You will need your helmet. For this, install the Shoei RF1200 and your Cardo Packtalk Bold with JBL. Along with the comm system, you will have two microphone choices. The boom mic, which you can use on a full face or half helmet, or the smaller wired mic, which is for full face helmets only. First, remove the chin curtain if it is installed. It simply pulls out. Unsnap the 3 snaps holding the cheek pad into place. Find the end of the cheek pad and pull it to remove it from the helmet shell. It should pull out with minor resistance. Remove the other cheek pad the same way. Most modern helmets have speaker pockets that are covered by foam and lining. They can be removed in order to drop speakers inside. However, we will leave them in and simply mount the speakers using Velcro to the surface. This will depend on the fit of your helmet to your head and how your ears line up. Locate an area on the left side of your helmet to mount the unit. Pull the clip and push it between the helmet shell and inner lining. There may be some resistance, but it will fit snugly once it's mounted. Choose either the wired or boom mic. We will use the wired mic. Use the alcohol prep pad to clean the surface where you will mount the Velcro. Stick the Velcro to the helmet. Plug in the mic. And then install the mic. The speakers have one long and one short wire. The short wire obviously mounts closer to the unit. The speakers have a standard 3.5mm headphone jack. Plug them in. Press the speaker to the ear pad and secure it in place with the Velcro. Work the other speaker under the helmet liner and secure it in place on the other side. Your helmet may vary, but the RF1200 requires a small cut on the cheek pad mounting plastic in order for the wires to more easily pass through. Reinstall the cheek pads. Tuck the wires under the left pad to keep them out of the way. Make sure all 3 snaps are secure. Download the Cardo app. This will allow you to manage your unit. You can select JBL audio profiles, manage rider communications, music, and more. Reference the quickstart guide as well to learn all the controls for your new unit. There's a lot of them. The Cardo Packtalk Bold install is now complete. You can now like talk to your friends and stuff and talk about like how cool that Ducati look that just went by, and like how you want to go get barbecue, and like how Harley riders never wave at you, and like how silly it is for motorcycles to have speakers on them instead of having them in your helmet, and all kinds of cool stuff like that. Smash that subscribe button and ring that bell to be notified for future videos such as the full Packtalk review and test coming soon.